Hello and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing really well. Thanks a lot for tuning in. Let's take a look at SUI because SUI is for a better part of a month and a half a leading example of what is a strong coin. It fails, or should I say it succeeds in not following the rest of the market. It's doing its thing on its own and it's working remarkably well. It doesn't mean that the count is easy to identify, but the overall market structure is rather healthy if you are looking with a bullish lens for SUI. I think it was a month and a week or so I published the target of $3.08, and this is still valid. Even despite this two consecutive lows we formed all the way down to 160, this is still within acceptable guidelines of what a wave 4 of how deep a wave 4 should retrace between 23.6 all the way down to 50%. So in numbers, it's 180 all the way down to 132. And we had the low formed at 159. So having said that, there is a clear indication that the A leg of the ABC correction for wave 4 has been completed, or at least this is what I count, with a move down for wave A, contracting wedge for wave B, and a 5-wave move down for the C leg of this A. And now we had a sharp corrective 3-wave move to the upside for wave B, and now the price is printing the C leg, for which it has done a leading diagonal for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, deep pull back up for wave 2, and then a third, fourth, and a fifth wave. So that completes wave A of this C leg we're looking for. Now, and it's not finished, and like I say very often, you should let corrections unfold completely before putting a label onto them. And so this is highly speculative. It looks like the price is printing a triangle, and this one appears to be an Elliott triangle. You have 3 moves to the upside for A, 3 moves to the downside for B, 3 moves to the upside for C. If that is an Elliott triangle playing out, we should look for, we should expect next 3 moves to the downside for D, 3 moves to the upside for E, and that will complete the B wave of this C leg. The triangles, the Elliott triangles, are found usually in wave B or wave 4. That's perfectly the place where we are at the moment. So once the triangle is complete, we should look for 5 waves to the downside for the C leg, and that would complete this ABC correction of wave 4. And only once it is complete that we start to see a 1-2 setup and breaking some overhead resistance, we can update the target, which was initially set at $3.08. But we will have a better visibility once the wave 4 is complete. So the picture for SUI is really bright, is not as indecisive as it is for Bitcoin, for example. We just need to let the correction unfold and especially watch the triangle unfold. If you really see 3 to the downside, 3 to the upside, respecting this concept of trend lines going in opposite direction, it doesn't have to be like this. It can be a bit like this or a bit like that. As long as wave E does not get higher than wave A, we're good to go. And so if you see 3 to the downside, 3 to the upside, you will have confirmation that this is indeed an Elliott triangle. And then from that E part, you should expect 5 to the downside, and that will complete the last part of the corrections, which more often than not, the C leg of this C of ABC happens quite quickly. Yeah. That's the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Leave me a comment, put a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. I will speak to you very soon. Bye-bye.